To add Venmo to your Apple Wallet, start by accessing the Wallet application on your iPhone. Once you're in the Wallet app, you'll want to add your Venmo card or gift card, which is a relatively straightforward process. Begin by clicking on the option that says Boarding Passes and Tickets, and then select Get from there. Next, click on Find App for Wallet and scroll down to the Payment Applications section. Look for the Venmo application, which should be available if it exists in your country. If you can't find it, return to your wallet and click on Get again. The next step is to scan a code. Select the Scan Code option and take a photo of your Venmo card. This will allow the information to be used to add it to your Apple Wallet. The process is easy to complete, and once you've finished, your Venmo card will be successfully added to your Apple Wallet.